Hey everyone, I'm going to do this tiny 5x6 inch, it's MDF. It's going to go in this frame, and here, let's carefully walk over. My place is a disaster. So I'm going to do black negative space white string pole for it. Hang on, I am going to make these shorter so you can see better. I am totally addicted to frames. And it's so cool because I put it out there on Facebook that I wanted frames, and people like come out of the woodwork. I have frames you can have. I just cleaned out my mother's house, blah, blah, blah. One is even somebody who I like who's running for office, which I think is pretty cool. I'm like, yay. Alright. That should be good enough. I didn't realize how messy my tray has gotten. Is that really is this super distracting for all of you? Because if it is, I can get a new one or cover it with white. I just now realized how bad that is. So let me know if it's really distracting, and I can change that. Normally I'm not working on something so small. So this is just black paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I have primed the other side of this, but I did not prime this side because I just decided to cut it today. And I wanted to pour it today. So it is not primed. But it will be fine for this. Because it doesn't matter if it warps or anything, because it's going to flatten out in that frame when I bolt it in there. And I'm using yarn. And I'm actually just dipping it into the white that is already in my drip tray. I think this is probably going to be a super short and sweet video because I just want it small and simple. Which is what I have here. That is all I want. And I may spray paint that frame. Don't know if I'll keep it that silver or I almost think a red would kind of be fun. I'm not going to worry about tilting. This is, since it's unprimed, this is going to start soaking in really fast. I'm not sure what it will end up doing without it being primed, but we'll find out together. And I'm not torching. But this could be a fun one with resin and a little bit of like mirror chips in it. So thank you so much for watching this super short and sweet video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.